Wix Studio tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type wixstudio.com in the address bar. To get started, click Login if you already have an account, or click Start Creating option if you do not have an account. Then, enter your email address and password, and click the Sign Up button. You will be directed to the home page. After that, click the Create New Site button located in the top right corner. Next, Wix Studio will ask about how would you like to start creating. Choose option that match with you and click on it. A lot of templates will appear. You can then choose the template you want to use for your website. For example, I choose this one. Once you are in the template section, you can begin customizing it. To change the text, simply click on the Edit Text option, and you can replace the existing words with your own content. After making all the necessary changes as you want, move your cursor to the top right corner of the website editor. Then, click the Publish button to finish your website.